Are your windows just burning cash every month? In Phoenix, cooling your home eats up more of your APS bill than you think, and the wrong windows can make it even worse. Today, we're going over how the right energy efficient windows can cut that bill by up to 35%. Now, some people ask me, what part of your electric bill is due to your windows' lack of energy efficiency? It's not just a simple answer. Your house could have a lot of glass or a little amount of glass. But that window itself can be letting in 80% of the heat if it's a single pane, non-low E glass, compared to blocking out 80% of the heat. So it can be a 10-fold difference. Typically what we see is an average of about 18 to 20% of an overall electric bill of what you're going to save after your new energy efficient windows. Now, old aluminum windows are going to make a dramatic difference during the winter months also. If you ever walk by an old aluminum window during the winter and you think you feel a breeze or a draft, that's true. That's actually what's happening. When your house is warm on the inside and it's cold on the outside, you have a suction. Those old aluminum windows are drafty. They're sucking in that outdoor cold temperature, and that's how you feel that draft on the inside. So not only are new windows going to make a dramatic improvement during the summer, but they're still going to make a huge improvement during the winter months as well. Sometimes I'm asked, why don't all windows perform the same here in Arizona? It's a difference between the frame, the glass, and the design of the overall window is what's going to give you an energy efficiency rating. So again, look at the NFRC sticker and that'll tell you the differences. So the features or the combination of glass and frame that is going to be the most energy efficient and most durable is going to be your fiberglass frame mixed with argon gas on a double pane window with either 3 or 4 coats of low E. Depends on what brand you're looking at. They may or may not offer the 4th coat low E. Now, as far as installation, you absolutely must have a professional installation. The window itself is not structurally sound on its own. It gets the structural integrity from your house. It must be installed well, or else that window will be failing over a short period of time, and you may be looking at leaks, inoperable windows, or the window itself is starting to fail and break because it was screwed in, not true, square, and plumb. If you're skeptical about energy efficiency or window replacements, and you think it's not going to make a huge difference for you, come into our showroom. Here we have glass samples mixed with heat lamps. You can feel, touch, and see the difference of what your window is going to do compared to the new window today. If you're ready to stop paying to cool the outdoors, let DunRite show you which windows actually perform in Arizona's heat. Give us a call at 480-906-4109 to get started today.